Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I will show you how to add an extra layer of privacy by locking your Messenger app on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, find the Messenger app on your home screen. Now click on it. Now you can see there is 3 lines at the top left corner. Click on it. Here you can see there is a settings page at the top. Now click on it. Now you can select the privacy and safety button. Here you can see there we have the app lock. Now click on it. Finally, you can turn it on, hence it will ask for your Face ID and set up the Face ID. Now the Messenger has been locked. You can also choose the time of locking the Messenger app given by the options below. And if you want to remove the lock, simply turn it off. So this is how you lock the Messenger app in your iPhone. So whenever you want to open Messenger, you will have to show your face. So now your Messenger has been locked. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.